If meron kang active na campaign ngayon inside Facebook or meron kang boosted na campaign inside Facebook, you can now literally show your ads to people who are most likely to buy from you again and again. Only show it to people who are willing and able. Sometimes kasi it's not about how good our ads is. It's about who are seeing it. And when you do that, your campaign would look like this na. You see that there are people na meron ng natatag as purchase and meron na siyang purchase conversion value. And you don't want that conversion value to degrade. No? Over time, what you want is mag-increase yung purchase conversion value na yan. This is a live campaign that we have right now. And how you will do that is to make sure you segment your audience. Inside your advertising settings, kailangan mong i-segment now yung mga existing customers mo na bumibili na inside Facebook. Create a custom audience. The updated one looks like this. Create, then always choose sales. Then, sa custom audience mo, inside your ads manager, sa ad set level, we will define the custom audience. Then, create a new one. Then, select itong Facebook page. Now, here's the crazy part. Before, the only available option is the people who sent a message to your page. But before, people who sent a message to your page are low quality people. There's no way for them to be tagged as purchaser or lead. But ngayon, check this out. Meron nang nakalagay na people who made a purchase after messaging your page and people who became a lead after messaging your page. How you will do that every time na nagra-run yung campaign mo inside your business suite or messenger sa business page, tag them. I-tag mo lang sila as paid or intake. Sa intake stage nila, itatag mo sila as qualified for those of you na nag-collect ng lead and converted. And if nagbayad na sila, always create an order. Here, create an order and then make sure to mark that order as paid. Then automatically that event na ginawa mo will be feedback to Meta, and over time lumulobo yung custom audience mo na yan, and that's how Meta will show your campaign to people who are most likely to buy from you because meron ka ng reference. So check your campaign now sa Meta Messenger and start segmenting them from the time na nag-run yung first campaign mo. Should you have any question, just type in your questions sa chat and I will get back to you when the time permits. We'll see you on the other side. Buyers.